To our loving parents of Gateway Integrated School and Stateville Academy, welcome to our Gateway Integrated School and Stateville Academy Parent Orientation for the school year 2020 and 2021. So, by the way, I'm Teacher Emily Sidamon, the Guidance Counselor of Gateway Integrated School and Stateville Academy. I will discuss to all of you about some guidelines, admission guidelines, and the policy of our school, and also the mode of payments. So first, I will discuss also to all of you some brief history and of our school. So our school headed by our school founder, Dr. Fruit Godoy Baisa, and our school principal, Dr. Alan Day Puyard, and our school directress, Dr. Mary Jane Day Puyard. Okay, so I will discuss to all of you our admission guidelines. Admission and policies. Gateway Integrated School of Science and Technology and Stateville Academy is geared toward providing quality academic program made available to many children as possible. Proper screening and evaluation of both children and parents are required and considered. Admission is also based on the credentials and willingness of parents to cooperate with the school. So, what are the courses offered of Gateway Integrated School and also the Stateville Academy? See, we offered NKP level, which is the nursery, 3 years old and 6 months, kindergarten, which is the 4 years old and 6 months, preparatory level, 5 years old and 6 months. And we also have elementary level from grade 1 up to grade 6. We also have a secondary level, which is divided into two. We call it as junior high school level, and we also have a senior high school level. For junior high school level, it consists of grade 7 up to grade 10. And for our senior high school level, it composed of grade 11 up to grade 12. For our senior high school, we offered our academic courses, which is STEM, ABM, UMS, and GAS. And for this school year, we offer also a free online tutorial for our NKP up to grade 3 level. So we also have admission requirements. So what are those requirements that you need to submit to our office during your enrollment period, especially for our transferee and new students? So you need to submit your report card or Form 138, certificate of good moral character from your guidance counselor, and also the 2x2 ID pictures with white background, 1x1 ID picture with white background, the photocopy of your birth certificate or your PSA. And you have also an oral interview, and you need to pay 1,800 pesos upon enrollment included in our tuition fee. And it should be non-refundable. How about for our senior high school level? So for our senior high school level, you need to submit your report card or Form 138 from your grade 10 level, certificate of good moral character from your guidance counselor, your certificate of your completion of your grade 10 level, and 1x1 picture with white background, and also the photocopy of birth certificate, or we call it as PSA. So that is your admission requirements. How about for our enrollment procedures? So your enrollment procedures, first, you need to present the requirements for admission, fill out enrollment form, pay tuition and other fees to the cashier, return enrollment form with receipt to the Committee on Admission, get permit to attend classes, and list of materials including section and session of enrollee. And you need to show the receipt and submit payment for books. So that is our enrollment procedures. So how about our mode of payment? So these are our previous school year tuition fee and miscellaneous for our NKP level. So we also have 13,800 pesos upon enrollment. So, for this school year, due to our pandemic condition, so nagkaroon po tayo ng pagbaba ng ating miscellaneous fee. So, in NKP level, as you can see, from previous school year, we have a miscellaneous fee of 7,050. But for this school year, good news po, katulad po what I said, na nagkaroon po tayo ng pagbaba ng ating miscellaneous. So it become 1,500 pesos only for our miscellaneous fee. So, and also, doon po sa mga nakapag-early enrollment from March up to May, month of May, so nagkaroon po tayo ng 1,000 pesos only for the miscellaneous fee. So yan po yung naging promo ng ating school. So our upon enrollment for the NKP level, 13,800. For this school year, it become 8,800 pesos. And then for those na hindi rin po natin kakayanin yung cash basis, we have three choices from Plan A up to Plan C. So for Plan A, your total upon enrollment is 4,800 pesos and your monthly is 500 pesos. And reminder is your monthly, it should be payable from the month of August up to the month of April. So your monthly for Plan A is 500 pesos. And for Plan B, your upon enrollment is 3,800 pesos. And your monthly is 700 pesos. For Plan C, your total upon enrollment is 2,800 pesos. And your monthly is 850 pesos. Well, how about for the elementary level? For grade 1 to grade 3 level, from previous school year, our upon enrollment is 14,250 pesos. But for this school year, good news po, nagkaroon din po tayo ng pagbaba due to our pandemic situation. So, the miscellaneous fee of grade 1 up to grade 3 level from 7,050, it become 1,500 pesos only. So, and also, for the early reservation, nagkaroon din po ng 1,000 pesos only lang po yung kanilang miscellaneous fee. So, the total upon enrollment of grade 1 up to grade 3 level is only 9,300. From 14,250, it become 9,300 pesos. So, kung hindi rin po kakayanin yung ating cash basis, we also have from Plan A up to Plan C. For Plan A, we have upon enrollment of 5,300 pesos and your monthly is 500 pesos. For Plan B, your upon enrollment is 4,300 pesos and your monthly is 700 pesos. For Plan C, your upon enrollment is 3,300 pesos and your monthly is 850 pesos. So like in NKP level, your monthly is payable from the month of August up to the month of April. So how about for our grade 4 to grade 6 level? So these are our previous school year tuition fee and miscellaneous fee. So for grade 4 to grade 6, you pay 15,200 upon enrollment. But for this school year, nagbaba din po, it become from 7,550 of our miscellaneous fee, it become 1,500 pesos only. So doon din po sa nakaklaim din po ng atin pong early reservation, ang miscellaneous fee lang po ninyo is 1,000 pesos only. So your upon enrollment is 9,300 pesos. So kung hindi rin po natin kakayanin yung ating cash basis, we also offered three choices. We also have Plan A up to Plan C. So for your Plan A, ayan, so nagkaroon po tayo ng upon enrollment of 5,800 pesos, which is your monthly is 500 pesos. For Plan B is 4,800 pesos and your monthly is 700 pesos. Your Plan C is 3,800 pesos and your monthly is 850 pesos. For the cash basis, your upon enrollment, doon po sana hindi po naka-claim ng early reservation is 9,800 for grade 4 to grade 6. But doon po sa naka-claim po natin ng early reservation na nalis po ng 500 yung miscellaneous fee, it become 1,000 pesos. Your upon enrollment is 9,300 pesos only. Ayan po. So, that is our tuition fee and miscellaneous fee for this school year for grade 4 up to grade 6 level. So, how about our junior high school? For Gateway Integrated School, so we offer AESC Scholar. Ayan, for Gateway Integrated School. For incoming grade 7, automatic po na makakasali po kayo sa our ESC Scholar, which is 9,000 pesos po yung nalilis po doon. So, yung nakukuha po natin na ESC Scholar. Ayan. So, from previous school year, yung junior high school students po natin for grade 7 and grade 8 students. So, you will pay upon enrollment of 7,750. For our grade 9 up to grade 10 students, so you will pay upon enrollment of 8,250 for those na ESC grantee po natin for Gateway Integrated School. And for not ESC Scholar, so ito po yung ating previous school year. So ito yung binayaran po nila. So yung mga hindi po napasali sa ating ESC Scholar, so they pay 16,500 pesos upon enrollment for the whole year for 2019-2020. But for this school year, for junior high school level, good news din po. So, for all incoming junior high school, grade 7, 8, 9, 10, ayan. So, you will pay only 1,800 pesos and no monthly fees po tayo. Ayan. So, yan po ang ating babayaran lang for our junior high school level. You will pay only 1,800 pesos and no monthly fees. Ayan po. So, that is for Gateway Integrated School. And then, for all incoming grade 7 from public school, you will pay only 500 pesos, no monthly fees. Yung pong balikan po natin doon sa 1,800 pesos na incoming grade 7. Yung 1,800, ito po yung mga pumasok po ng grade 6 sa private school na papasok po sa amin ng grade 7. So you will pay 1,800 pesos. But doon po sa mga nag-grade 6 ng public school at incoming grade 7 po, sa amin po papasok, so you will pay only 500 pesos. And katulad po sinabi ko kanina, no monthly fees. So that is for our junior high school level for Gateway Integrated School. How about for the Stateville Academy? So these are your tuition fee and miscellaneous fee for our Stateville Academy. For non-ESC junior high school level grade 7 and grade 8, so you will pay your upon enrollment of 10,300. Nagkaroon din po kayo ng pagbaba din po ng miscellaneous fee. Naging 1,500 pesos din po yung ating miscellaneous fee. And then, doon din po sa hindi po natin kakayanin yung ating cash basis, meron din po tayong 3 choices. From Plan A up to Plan C. For Plan A, so your upon enrollment is 6,300 and your monthly is 500 pesos. So, your monthly payable from the month of August up to the month of April. And your Plan B is your upon enrollment is 5,300 pesos and your monthly is 700 pesos. And your Plan C is 4,300 pesos and your monthly is 850 pesos. So that is your tuition fee and miscellaneous fee for Stateville Academy for grade 7 and grade 8. How about grade 9 and grade 10? So your upon enrollment for the cash basis is 10,800. Nagkaroon din po kayo ng pagbaba sa ating miscellaneous fee. Your miscellaneous fee is for only 1,500 pesos. And then dun po sa hindi rin po kakayanin natin yung ating cash basis, you have a 3 choices from Plan A up to Plan C. Your Plan A for grade 9 and grade 10 is 6,800 upon enrollment, and you also have your monthly of 500 pesos. From Plan B, 5,800 pesos, and your monthly is 700 pesos. And your for Plan C, you will pay 4,800 pesos, and you have your monthly of 850 pesos. That is your tuition fee and miscellaneous fee for grade 9 and grade 10 for State Bill Academy. Yan, okay. So, ito po, this is the end of my discussion. And for some general guidelines, it should be discussed by our ICT and senior high school coordinator by Mr. Roylan Cadique. So thank you and God bless.